Welcome back to the channel. So today we've got Jamie's from Officially Gassed Turbo S in. We're doing the world's first CT design kit on it. As you can see, this one has the aero pack, and our parts replace the aero pack, but also will be able to fit the normal car. So the splitter is a replacement, the side skirts are replacements for the originals, the diffuser replaces the original, and the spoiler replaces the original, which works with the aero pack and the non-aero pack. So let's get started and we'll show you how to get it done. First thing we're doing is taking the front bumper off to be able to take all of this original plastic off. So we're starting with these T30s here. I'll take those off. Then I'll move on to all the ones underneath the car. I'll get the car a bit higher. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 6. Then we can get the indicators out and then get to the bolts behind there, which are T30s. But these in here are T25s. That's 2. That out. There's this one. All right, so airlines are on that side, I believe.
It's straight underneath it, so just sits on it.
So there's plugs here. That comes off. Okay, now everything has to come off. Don't worry, so that gets that off, which holds the sensor in order to be able to get the aero pack off. That easy. Okay, that's off. So then we need to now take this off, but I believe, let me just double check, if I remember correctly, yeah, so we need to take the side pieces off first. So we have to undo these. So these here are brackets specifically for the aero pack. The normal one doesn't have it, but there is an area here which I will show you on camera where you'll be able to make the holes if you don't have the aero pack in the side of the bumper, and then it will just screw in just like the aero pack with our one. That's them. Boom. Be careful. Yeah, it's fine. Clips in lovely from the front. That goes under there. Now Matt and Miles are going to take the rear bumper off, change the diffuser, and then change over the spoiler whilst I do the side skirts.
Is that it, yeah? This one there and that one there?
Yeah. Matt, can you hold this so I can just line up the sides?
It's got to go underneath this.
Huh?
No, it goes over the top.
Yeah, goes there.
Yeah, but...
Alright.
Ready?
Yep. I did both sides.
In?
Yep. Where does this go? So here? Yeah.
Get your tool. Just keep going.
Bolts underneath this.
Very narrow.
So the Turbo S is all done. We're here at Supercarfest where we've revealed the car. So I wanted to talk you through some of the fitting and how everything is fitted, and then some of the designs and what our inspiration was. So with the front splitter, we like how the optional extra aero pack looks. So we were inspired by that, and we did want it to be a full replacement part so that you don't have to screw into the bumper or anything like that. And the other thing is we needed it to work with the active aero that comes on these cars. So our splitter works with that and it doesn't interfere with it. As you can see, this one is currently down. So this car does have an aero pack from factory, so you just take that off, take the middle part of it off, and then our full one-piece splitter goes on instead, and then it fixes in with all of the original fixings. But if you don't have an aero pack, you replace the lower part of your bumper with this one, and then you would have to screw into the back here to add the side pieces. So then it kind of mimics the aero pack, but these do use the original holes if you do have the aero pack. So it's literally the same way as Porsche would have intended from factory. So with the side skirts, we wanted something that completely replaces the gloss black plastic, but again, going with the splitter looks kind of OEM plus. So we've made these, which are full replacement for the OEM ones, but a little bit more aggressive. So if you were to look from up here, you see how much more they do come out. And they use all of the original fixings, which you just take off of the originals once you've got them out, and then put onto these, clip them into place, do the Torx bits up, and it's ready to go, just as easy as that. So moving on to the spoiler, we wanted to make something that's a little bit more aggressive, but still OEM plus for the car. So we've gone with this design, which works with the aero pack, which has these side bits, as well as the cars without aero pack, but still gives it that more aggressive flick. And it's really easy to fit. You just use the original bolts here, and then you take the original one off, clip this one in, screw it up. And that's as easy as that. Moving on to the diffuser, this is probably one of the most difficult pieces that we have ever created, because it has this air channel here, and it's a full replacement, and it's all one piece, and it goes all the way around the side here. So there are loads of different types of clips, and then to fit it, you have to take the rear bumper off, unclip all of the original pieces, all of the exhaust mounts, which get transferred onto the new one, and then you put it all back onto the car with the diffuser clipped in onto the bumper. So the inspiration for this is we wanted something that's, again, OEM plus, but completely in carbon, and it's got these extra side flicks here, and it's got these bigger fins here. So it's just OEM plus, but all bigger and better and in carbon fiber. And it uses the original exhaust mounts inside, so then you don't have to mess about with any of that as well. So Jamie's here from Officially Gassed at Supercarfest. The car is all done now. We've been working on it for about 6 months now, maybe a bit longer. So let's go see what you think now that it's all done.
Let's do it. Let's do it. So I can see it from here already. Now I'm telling you, brother, this looks absolutely amazing. Honestly, bro. Yeah. Honestly, the renders of this car don't do it justice.
Yeah, so the splitter replaces that aero pack.
It's so
no new holes made. Side skirts just replacements.
Yeah. Well, hang on, I've got to talk to the camera now, because honestly, there's one thing about 911 Turbo S's. They're nice, we know what they can do, but they're not in your face. This one had the aero pack, and even then, it doesn't jump out. You know, there's other kits out there that are either way too much, way in your face, or too subtle. And this is absolutely perfect. I can see the aero kit still working from underneath there.
Yeah, exactly. So that was a key thing for us to make sure that works on all of them.
Mate, that looks wicked. And I think we said prior that it just kind of works with the OEM holes for the aero kit.
Yeah, exactly. So if you don't have an aero kit, but you want to fit this on it, you can bond these onto your PPF if your front bumper's PPF'd, or if you have the aero kit, you just use the original holes and screw it in.
Like, honestly, it's like, it changes the look of the car. Like, it's OEM plus plus.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? It's just a little bit more than OEM plus. It's plus plus. And these side skirts, man, it's just that little fleck there. It helps with the rear arches. Like,
yeah.
These
and then when you look at it from here as well, you can just see how much more it comes out than the original.
Yes. And the spoiler though, bro. This is what I mean about OEM plus. It's not until you look close you realise what's going on. So it's kind of the DuckTales like
exactly.
style, right? This is. Ooh.
So we use this to make a bit more of a flip.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah, that is unbelievable.
Like, honestly, you boys have killed it. You boys have killed it.
So then it still uses this duct here that's needed for the car, and then these little bits that flow with the side skirts as well.
Yeah.
We added those, which you wouldn't see on the original one.
It is honestly, like, I'm not even being biased. Maybe I am because it's my car. But honestly, this is like the nicest kit I've seen for one of these. Full stop. It's just perfect. It's not too much. It's not too subtle. It's just bad boy. And I see the little touches too. The CT car.
Yeah. So our logo is under there.
Honestly, once again, bro.
But glad you're happy.
Smash it. Smashed it. If you've got a Turbo S and you ain't buying one of these, don't even talk to me. Don't even talk to me. Mad.
I just need to know what's on your mind.